I want to eat some of that grass. Daddy gonna let you grow your hair out?
Nope. You know what this is all about. You are such a ham. Yes, you are. Hi, baby girl. I love you. Oh, do you want to talk? You want to get on camera? Say hi. Hi. Can you say hi? Oh, hi. Yes, hello. Gibson, can you say hi, please? And I will shove this in my mouth. And what else will I do? Naomi. Nene. Hi.